Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mezabin Pinky and I live in Australia. And yeah, finally I am doing this video. So in today's video I am reviewing and swatching the liquid lipstick which was sent to me by bornprettystore.com. This is a website where you get makeups, lots of makeups and lots more things. You can go and check out yourself. They have a huge variety of cosmetics, eyelashes. I was like looking at the website last night and I saw they have pretty good eyelashes there too. So I will be getting some more products from their website, and this company reached out to me through email and they asked me if I wanted to do a review on their products. I chose 5 of these matte liquid lipsticks just because I am a fan of liquid lipsticks. I have got so much liquid lipsticks but it's not enough, so I love these liquid lipsticks. They are so cool. They are literally so beautiful. This is just a cardboard packet and here it says hashtag number and the name of this lipstick. So this one is Bosch, B-O-S-H. It's very beautiful. The shade, this one is one of my favorite shades. I don't have much of nudes, so I love to add this in my collection, and it's very pretty. So the only thing about this lipstick which some of you may not like, but it's okay for me, but some of you will think that this bottle should have had its name here rather than here on this cardboard, because we will not be keeping it inside here. I will be keeping it like this. So it only says 5 hashtag here, but here it says 5 hashtag in the name Bosch, B-O-S-H. But these lipsticks, let me open all of these for you guys. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. This shade is like dangerous 2 hashtag. So this one is to die for. It's just literally so beautiful. The packaging are all same for all of these, but the only thing is the packet has the name and the bottle doesn't has the name. It only has hashtag, but it's okay. This red is a cool tone red and I am wearing this right now, and I tell you guys, literally this lipstick is stunning. It looks so beautiful and its name is Screen Sharing 7 hashtag. So Screen Sharing. I will be swatching this later on. So this one is like Human Nature. This one is such a gorgeous purplish shade. I love it. All the packets are same, like the packaging is same. And this one is Showgirl hashtag 3. So this is a gorgeous color too. So I got 5 of these. So just look at this. The bottles are really big and they all look same, but the only thing is this only has the numbers hashtag 5, hashtag 2, hashtag 7, hashtag 6, hashtag 3, and the packet has hashtag number with the name. That's the only thing. They should have put names on here too. But these lipsticks are literally so beautiful. They are just wow, I just love it. So this lipsticks dries in 1 to 3 minutes. So it takes in between 1 to 3 minutes to dry. Depends on how many coat you apply. So this lighter shades dries very quickly. It takes under like 2 minutes to dry, but these darker shades, it like takes 1 to 3 minutes to dry, and when it dries it is fully matte and it doesn't transfer. So let's check. So nothing comes on my hand. It's fully matte. Just see. And the most important part about these lipsticks are under $5 US, and you can get these lipsticks from bornprettystore.com if you are interested, and I will like put all the links in the description box below, and if you go and buy it now you will get an extra 10% off. So don't forget to use my code down below in the description box to get an extra 10% off from the original price of all the products you buy from that website. That website has a lot of makeup. So if you are on a budget, these lipsticks are definitely for you, and I am loving it. It's just so good. And I only applied lip balm and then I wiped it off with a makeup remover wipe. That's how I did it, and that's how I always do it. But some of the liquid lipsticks, they don't come off easily, but these ones, they are literally so gorgeous and they come off so easily, and it's non-tacky. It's just a little bit like it doesn't stick. So without further ado, let's begin with the swatches. guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your families and friends. And yeah, don't forget to join me on all social media sites, and also don't forget to check out this website bornprettystore.com. You will definitely find something very interesting in there and something very nice for you at a very affordable price. Yeah, and don't forget to use that 10% off code if you want an extra discount, just because these lipsticks are only under $5 US. So that was it for today. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.